Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permanently has been locked on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok permanently has been locked, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.